Today I'm working on a kitchen sink that won't drain in a high-rise building. The drain has already been snaked with this Milwaukee hand snake, 25 feet, 1/4 inch auger. As you can see and hear, it didn't do much. First thing I need to do is remove everything from under the sink. Then I'm going to disconnect the P-trap. Then remove the garbage disposal just to make handling the auger I'm going to be using a little bit easier. I'm going to be using the Ridgid K-400 drain snake for this particular clog. I will not be using a tip. I took the tip off and made a slight bend at the end. Found that in high-rise buildings, if you leave the tip on, it will unclog whatever you're trying to unclog, but I've had issues of the cable getting stuck in the past, so I don't use a tip anymore. This is a manual feed snake, which I like a lot better than the auto feeds. It makes it harder to kink up, and it makes it easier, in my opinion, to make hard bends. I'm guessing this clog is about 10 feet down, considering how long it takes for the sink to fill up. So I'm going to go past 10 feet, and once I get to that 10 to 15 foot range, I'm going to fill up the dishwasher. And then I'm going to drain the dishwasher. We can see that we still have got some water coming back to the P-trap. A little bit of water is okay, but this is a little too much. So I'm going to run the snake a couple more feet down. Actually, right here, I remember I did feel some resistance where the cable would start to bow up on me. So I knew I was on the clog. So I'm just working this cable back and forth until it punches through the clog. And then I'll just keep going back and forth a couple more times. Fill up the dishwasher again with as much water as possible, and then hit the drain to see how it's draining. I like the sound of this. This is the sound of good draining. Now it's time to retrieve the cable. Put everything back together. And test the sink one more time before I walk away. I like to fill the sink up with a couple of gallons of water and then just let it rip and use my ears to see how well it's draining, or actually to hear how well it's draining. Thanks for watching. My name's Dave. This fix is done.